Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at 7 Upper Austrian verbs. The idea comes from Destiny, who wants to know more about verbs that are used in the Upper Austrian dialect. So thanks a lot to Destiny for the comment and the tip. Feel free to write a comment for further video ideas. Let's get started. The learning goal of this video is to understand 7 verbs that are frequently used in Upper Austria. On the one hand, you will find these verbs in other regions as well. On the other hand, you will come across these 7 verbs, especially in Upper Austria. Let's start with the word HAUM or HAUM, which means to have. In Standard German, it's haben. For example, wir haben Zeit means we've got time. The third form, have had, is HAUM ghobt or haben gehabt in Standard German. The second verb we talk about today is KENNA or KINNA, which is the word for can or able to. The term in Standard German is können. For instance, yes, we can is ja, wir können. The third verb we focus on is wissen and means to know. This is the same in Austrian and in Standard German. But the first person is different and sounds like ich weiß oder ich weiß, whereas it is ich weiß in Standard German. Fourth, we take a look at the word müssen, which means must or have to in English, and müssen in Standard German. For example, we have to go sounds like wir müssen gehen. The fifth verb we analyze is tun or tun. In English, that is to do. In Standard German, tun. For instance, tu weiter means something like go on faster. The next verb I'd like to present is wascheln and is a word for raining heavily or to pour. Now let's take a look at the verb hudeln. In Standard German you might say sich beeilen. The English term is to hurry or to rush. An example might sound like hudel nicht so, meaning don't hurry. I hope this video helped you to improve your understanding of the Austrian German dialect used in Upper Austria. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next Austrian German tutorial.